Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing yet another Nykaa haul video for you guys. So without wasting much time, let's get straight into the video. But before that, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. It will mean a lot to me, so please do that, and then we'll start. Now the first thing that I order is L'Oreal Paris UV Perfect Summer Protection Kit. So it has this sunscreen and the face wash. Actually this face wash comes free with this sunscreen, so I basically purchased this sunscreen. Let me open this for you. So this is the tiny tube which was inside that huge box. So this is quite travel friendly and it is SPF 50 plus, long UVA, transparent. So this is basically transparent. Actually I'm a big sucker of sunscreens. I cannot miss a single day without applying it. I apply sunscreen daily, whether it's winter, summer or rain. So I was using Oriflame sunscreen and it was quite sticky for summer season, so I ordered this basically for using during summer. And the face wash that comes with that sunscreen is this White Perfect Purifying and Brightening Milky Foam. So this is the face wash. So the next product is this Essence So Glow Cream to Powder Highlight. So this is basically a cream highlighter that converts into powder once you applied it. This is really gorgeous silver color highlighter. Let me show you. It's not that too much glowing, but it's really good for those people who like natural looking highlighter. And the best way to work with this highlighter, I think, is by using fingers. I even use it with brush, but I was not satisfied with the result. So the best way to use this highlighter is with the help of your fingers. Now the next thing is this Ardell Professional Lash Grip for Strip Lashes. It's their clear adhesive. And let me show you guys how it looks like. And it has this nozzle so that you can easily apply glue directly on your lashes. Now the next two things are the face washes, one for my mom and one for me. So for my mom, I ordered Revitalift Milky Cleansing Foam from L'Oreal Paris. She already used it and she really liked it, so I ordered this for her. And for myself, I ordered a Deep Clean Foaming Cleanser from the brand Neutrogena. It's really good cleanser for oily skin during summer season. It really removes all that oil and dirt from your skin, so I suggest you to try this during summer season. Next thing is this scrubber from St. Ives. Is their fresh skin apricot scrub, deeply exfoliate to reveal smooth skin, and I really like it from the bottom of my heart. I just use it twice, but I instantly fall in love with this scrubber. You can immediately feel the difference on your skin. Your skin instantly feels smooth and soft. So this is really good scrubber, and those who can get their hand on this scrubber, I suggest you highly try it because it's really good. And especially during the summers that are coming soon, you should try this scrubber. And it's basically formulated without paraben, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic. So it has all the good properties in this. Now if you have seen my last Nykaa haul, you must have seen that I have ordered two things. One is St. Ives body lotion and Garnier shampoo and conditioner, and I really like them. I have already ordered two variants of them, and this time I ordered their new variants. So the shampoo that I ordered this time is Garnier Ultra Blends Nourishing Shine Shampoo, Henna and Blackberry. I really like the color of this packaging, especially the shampoo, because it's really different from the usual packaging. And the body lotion that I ordered this time is St. Ives Daily Hydrating Body Lotion Vitamin E. Visibly improves skin health by defending against dryness. So this is the body lotion that I ordered this time. I really liked the last two variants, especially that orchid one. I really don't remember the name, but I think it's something related to orchid. So I really like that one because smells really amazing. So I thought of trying this variant this time, so I ordered vitamin E this time. I hope I like this also. Now this is anti-aging cream from L'Oreal. It's Revitalift Day Cream SPF 23 PA++ anti-wrinkle plus foaming cream. It's also for my mom, so she ordered the face wash as well as the day cream. So yeah, this is the cream for my mom. This time I also ordered a facial kit. It's from VLCC. It's their papaya fruit facial kit for blemish free fairer complexion. So this is the facial kit. It's a 6-step facial kit. It has cleanser and toner, means 2 in 1, cleanser and toner. Then the second scrub, third gel, cream, pack and moisturizer. So let's see what's inside this. So it basically has these pouches. This is their cleanser and toner. This is papaya scrub, papaya seed scrub. Third one is cucumber gel. Then peach massage cream, orange anti-tan pack, and the last is this tube which has oil-free moisturizing gel with SPF 15 PA+ with aloe vera. So these are the 6 pouches. So last but not the least, I ordered these soft cleansing wipes from the brand called Chiku. These are basically baby wipes, but I ordered it for myself for wiping my hands, face and makeups, you know, things like that. So I ordered particularly this one because it's alcohol free, soap free, paraben free, hypoallergenic, so it's really mild, and it also has this plastic lid which makes it more hygienic and easy to use. So that was all for today. I know that was not a huge haul, but I hope you liked my today's video, and I also hope that you already subscribed to my channel. So see you all in my next video. Till then, bye.